Hey people, so this is a masala dosa at Minerva coffee shop, and we can get it for just like 169 bucks. And this place is really cute, and it's a very cozy restaurant, really, that is very close to Hitech City. It is in Hitech City, I could say. Hitech City, near the Hitech City metro station. And so that's what this is, a Karnataka style masala dosa, and I'm here for the first time ever, I think, in my life to have a breakfast. And it's thanks to my sister, and I'm so pleasantly surprised by this place because you have all the possible South Indian food that you could find. South Indian, and in fact, all vegetarian. It's a vegetarian restaurant. So, yeah, so if you ever crave a very authentic masala dosa, Minerva coffee shop, which is at near Hitech City, is the place to visit. Good stuff, really. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.